friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. Today we are at Dollar Tree. We are at the Upland, California location, checking out all of the different Easter items that they had in store, all the eggs, the signs, all of the crafting supplies. Just to let you know, I will be having a Easter DIY video coming up soon, and if you're new, please stick around, check it out. It's going to be a great one. I am so excited for Easter, and let me not take up any more of your time, and let's just get straight into the video and check out the items. The first section that I wanted to check out with all of these beautiful little eggs that they had. They had neon ones, glitter ones, beautiful shiny ones, odd shaped ones, any kind that you need, they had. And if you're just not a colorful person and are into neutrals like me, they also had this black egg that had pink and yellow designs on it. It was a really cute egg. And I also thought these bunny-shaped eggs were just so cute. They also had little sports-themed eggs. Perfect for those little athletes in your life. They also had a bunch of different basket shapes, colors, themes. Perfect for anyone and everyone. And if you also do Easter egg hunts and do a prize golden egg, they also have these beautiful gold eggs. And if you're looking for items to stuff your Easter baskets with, they have this green Easter grass. They also had a lot of beautiful different colors of these Easter bunny plushes in different styles as well. And on this other side, they have these beautiful spring colored scarves by a brand called Xoxo. And this wall of Easter decoration was definitely my favorite. All of these tinsel and garland. They also had these fabric ones with eggs and Easter bunnies. So pretty. Looking at this wall just made me so excited for Easter. They also had these little wooden signs at the bottom that said 3 different things. They also had these window decal stickers, and some of my favorite items to pick up are these egg picks. They have them small, medium, and large. And they have some of the most beautiful wooden signs. They come in all different shades and styles. I absolutely love the one with the arrows, and the trucks are my favorite. I love these garden pick sticks that say, "Bunny, please stop here." They're just so pretty. These bunny garlands with the little fluff tails, these are new this year and I absolutely love them. I love the long Happy Easter sign with the little bunny on it and its little feet. They're just so cute this year. And also they have some of the most beautiful floral arrangements, all of the beautiful spring colors. Now these are the items that I was so excited to find. These little gumball machines in the shape of an egg and a bunny head. It came in a blue and a pink, and these were the only 2 designs and colors that I saw at Dollar Tree this day. I'm not quite sure exactly if they come in any other sizes or colors, but those are really great finds. They also had a bunch more baskets up at the top. They were so pretty. I love all the pastel colors. All these different types of Easter bunny ears in different styles. I love these little Easter egg trays in the shape of a bunny. I ended up picking up the purple one. That one was my favorite. And I also saw this little bunny decor piece, but you can dress it up as a costume and just clip it onto your pants or your shirt and it works perfect. It's also a great DIY project to use if you're wanting to add it to any bunny of your choice. Dollar Tree also carries these $1 decorating kits that comes with color for your eggs and a little spot to put them in while they dry. They also have these little knickknacks if you're making a goodie basket. You can choose a bunch of different things. That unicorn basket was my absolute favorite. So pretty. And I was really excited to see that they have these craft bottles for Easter as well. They had them with different color lids. I was really excited because if you haven't seen my Valentine's Day video, I picked these up in a rose gold and a gold, I believe, for Valentine's Day goodie craft bottles. So for Easter this year, I think I'm going to be doing the same thing and just getting some of these bottles and putting little Easter egg candies in it and giving it to my coworkers as like a little Easter treat. I was also really excited to find these little carrot decor pieces. These are so beautiful. They're made with twine. I do have a DIY video coming up shortly for Easter that I will be using them for. I cannot wait. So please stay tuned, subscribe, turn on your post notifications to not miss out on that video. And how adorable are these little fabric truck Easter bags? These are so cute. I absolutely love these. If I was making Easter bags for someone, I definitely would have picked these up. They were really great quality. They're so cute, and I love the little egg in the back. I was also really excited to find all of the Easter colored ribbon. I love the little checkered blue, pink, and yellow one. I also have these really cute painting kits. This one right here came with a little ceramic piece. And I absolutely love these little Happy Easter gift bags. They are so pretty. I love the little bow on top with the basket. The colors of these bags are just so gorgeous. I love them. And of course, every year Dollar Tree has these Peeps, but I've never seen this party cake flavor one. I've never tried it. If you have, please let me know in the comments below if it's worth it. Well, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe and stay, join the family. Let me know in the comments below what Easter items you've picked up from the Dollar Tree. And I will talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye-bye.